LPS Cooking with Janna cheesecake.
Special guest Adna.
Hi, it's me, Janna, and as you can see, it's Canada Day. No, I'm just joking. It's April 1st. And no, it's not Canada Day. Okay. So, today, as you can see, we have a special guest.
Adna!
Okay. So, you see, we're making cheesecake because me and her really love cheese, don't we, Adna?
Yes!
So, we already made all the batter and everything. So I'm gonna put the recipe in the description. Okay. So Adna. Okay. So here we have our pot. As you can see, my mom threw out the old one because it started to smell. Oh, cursed you, Mom. So now we're gonna have to put down the layers. First we're gonna be adding Anna, what the heck? Okay, put this thing in first. Okay. Whatever. Where's the spoon, Adna? Move it. It's okay. Okay. Next, we add in the
cheese.
Yes, the cheese. Good job, Adna.
Looks good.
Okay, let's add in all of this cheesy goodness. Let's just add this in. So.
What goodness, looks like heaven is rising.
Yes, it does, Adna. Get out of your cheesy heaven. Okay, we have our cheesy heaven.
And now for the last
finish. The jelly. Oops.
Jelly.
Ooh.
Oh, sorry, I did that on purpose.
Adna, curse you.
April Fool. Is your nose bleeding? Do you need a tissue?
Okay.
Ew.
Whatever. Now we add in the jelly.
The jelly made out of Santa's belly.
yes, Adna, Santa's belly. And this belly is nice and juicy.
He ate a tub of full jelly.
Okay. Now we put the... Wait, no, sorry. I forgot. Next we add...
The yummiest.
No, we add all the sugar.
The yummiest, the beautiful, sprinkliest sugar.
No. As you can see, it's so sugary and it looks really good.
Beautiful.
Okay, Anna, let's pop this into the oven.
Yes.
Adna, would you do the demonstration?
Of course.
Pop it into the oven. Pop it into the oven. Thank you. That looks very good. Okay, Adna. Okay. Next, we wait. Ding. Okay. It's finally done. Well, Adna, are you ready to stuff your big fat face? Wait. Gotta protect my sunglasses. Stuff!
It's delicious. Now starting with the eating.
Adna!
Yummy.
Oh, don't eat the ingredients. And this has been
the tragicest cooking of all.